You've got a topic, videos, and people. Now let's figure out how to make it happen on a regular schedule so you develop more people as subscribers and viewers. Right now I am offering a free YouTube checklist, so if you want to get your channel started right, or if you want to whip your channel into shape, check the link below. It's free. All you have to do is enter your email. And for a limited time, I'm going to offer an extra bonus training mini-series for people who sub. On with your video. Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of my YouTube channel creation mini-series in 2019. And I discuss how you build your channel, how you develop a content creation strategy, how you interact with other YouTubers to gain views and subs, how to publish regularly, and how to continue building your channel so you gain subs overnight while you're sleeping, which is really cool. That tends to be when I get most of my subs, so thank you, 25 to 32-year-old demographic that is sleeping. Part 4 is going to be about developing a content creation schedule. This is probably the part where most people screw up on their YouTube channel, if I'm being blunt, and the reason that they fail. It's not because they don't have the focus, it's not that they don't want to make the videos, it's that they aren't developing the videos on a regular basis. And I will tell you, to this point, publishing your YouTube channel videos on a schedule is probably the best thing you can do. And the reason for this is, number one, it keeps you accountable to meeting a deadline. This is one of the differences that I teach in my courses and videos and my YouTube channel, of the difference between a personal YouTube channel where you're vlogging, you're singing, you're doing car videos, whatever the fuck you're doing. You're doing whatever you're doing. And a real focused YouTube business platform. You are holding yourself accountable with deadlines you have to meet. You have goals you need to meet. So, when you have a regular content creation strategy, you're going to develop videos about this, and this on this schedule. For example, my goal right now is to develop 1 video a day. I'm a little behind in that, but I have been doing other things behind the scenes that you guys need to probably check out. Again, description, channel, playlist. Check all those things out and enjoy. Anyway, number 2, as to why you should publish regularly, is it creates expectations for your audience members. So, say you get 50 subs. If you publish content regularly on a weekly basis, those subs become far more valuable than regular viewers or search traffic or traffic derived from SEO, which is Google, basically. And the third reason you should publish regularly is it helps you it helps you travel to a direction on your channel. This takes that laser focus and you just keep going forward. You keep going forward and forward. You develop not only a vehicle, but you develop a building. So imagine YouTube is like this little platform right here. This little platform right here. Every video adds another layer to your channel. So when you have one video, or one video on a topic, all you have is a video on that topic. Once somebody's done, they're going to go to somebody else's channel, another video, whatever. But if you keep developing layers to your channel, people can finish this video and go, oh, hey, you know what? I want to go to the next one. We'll go to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. There's a meme around here.
Another one.
Once you have that channel developed, you will create a channel that has a content strategy that creates more views. This is something I delve way more in depth to in my course. I'm probably offering a free trial right now. Check it out below. And what happens is your YouTube channel begins developing views. You can begin monetizing it. You can develop an audience, and it snowballs. It goes faster and faster and faster, and bam, you've got thousands of millions of views millions of minutes watched, all that good stuff. Alright guys, this was part 4. Enough rambling. Let's check out part 5. Check the playlist below, card. Bam. Let's get to it. And let's make a successful YouTube channel, because you don't want to miss these next couple of tips. This is the stuff that I generally only give away in my course.